Okay. So I think we done it yesterday, Mintra, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we kept it as a Mintra. So let me browse it. So right now it should be blank up and running. Right? It should be up and running. Let's see. Right now your web app is running and waiting for the content. Right here. Very good. So now I wanted to give the content. So usually what happens after this step, you have to take the copy of this complete line, complete address, and then you need to approach to your development team. Hey, this is the website I have created. Could you please give me the content of that? So they will come with your code. Okay. Now the chances are there they might give the code into the GitHub, or they give the code to your Azure repo. Okay. So let's see you got a code. Let's imagine that you have got a code from freecss.com. Right? We have got a code. You know that how to download and all. So freecss.com we have got a code, and my code is now in my download section, right? But I have to upload the code to either Azure repo or GitHub, right? So I'll try to upload the Azure repo. See, there's a two things, my dear friends, okay? If we have an option to go directly to your dev.azure.com. I'm over here now. Which team? This is my team, right? Let's click over there. Yeah, that's good thing, Niranjan. Thank you. Okay, so we have an option of this repo, right? Right now, repo?
Yes.
Go to that repo. So right now we have nothing is there in the repo. Okay. So now what we'll do? There is two ways. Okay. So I'll just write it here as a. I'll make it one new repository. I'll make it as an app service. Okay. It's not mandatory to make it, but I'm making it for just for simplicity, right? So app services I created it. Very good. So this is my app service repo. Now there is a two ways to upload it. Okay. Easiest way is three dots. We have upload files. Okay. Easiest way is three dots upload file. But what is the mistake? Why we should not do that for the app services? I'll tell you. Let me choose something else. I'll go to the testing. Okay. I'll go to the testing repo. I'll just try to upload it. Can you observe it? If I click on upload, click on the browse. Where is your file? My file is in download section, right? So last time we downloaded, no? Little fashion, right? Let's go there. Go back here. Try to copy this. Okay? Control A, not copy, Control A and upload. See, if you try to upload, no, this folder will not get uploaded. Okay? So if this folder will not get uploaded, file will get uploaded, but folder will not get uploaded. If folder is not getting uploaded, when you are browsing the website, okay, when you are browsing the website, that time it's not properly loaded. Because all the file is not there, no? Okay, I'll show you also, let's see. Can you observe it? I'll just try to open it here. Okay, let's commit it. So see, whether the folder has come? No, it has not come. So how to upload all the files, including the folder also? So there is a concept called as a Git UI, which I told you that I will be doing it a bit later. So this is the right time to do it. Okay? Git UI. You have used this Git bash several times. Let's make the use of Git UI this time. Okay? Very good. So let's see. I'll make the use of your here, right? This is my file now. App services. I'll go back here. So I wanted to, okay, see, where is your repo? This is your repo, right? Yes. App service is your repo, right? Very good. If app service is a repo, okay, if app service is a repo, we need to upload the file here. Right. But for that we have a process that we will follow, that is a good to know. So there is an option called clone. What is that? Clone. If we click on the clone, okay, you get this location, right? So you just have to copy that. So what is the meaning of clone? Clone means a set of file, whatever you are having, you are just making a copy somewhere. Got the point? Why we are cloning this? You will get answer bit later. Why we are cloning this? You will get answer bit later. Okay? So you got the point, clone? Right? Very good. Now, what I told you, buddy, I told you to go back to your Git UI. So all in the real time, all the files should be stored in the C drive project section. Okay? So let me go to my C drive. Where is my C drive? I'll come back to my C drive, right? Here is my C drive. And then there will be some project, right? For your case, if there is a no project in the C drive, you create the project. Got the point? If it is not project in your C drive, you just right click it, create a new folder, name as a project. Clear? It's all clear right here? Every one of you? Right? Good. So you are going inside. Right here? Now I wanted to keep my file over there. Okay? So what you have to do, just right click, close it here. You go back to your C drive. Okay? Obviously, if you are doing the first time, project is not there in a file, what you have to do? You have to create it. That's it. Then right click it and try to go with open git UI here. Got the point? Earlier we are doing bash, but I told you, right, we'll make use this time as a git UI. Clear now? Git UI clear, right? Very good. So let's make it as a git UI here. Okay? Copy it here, click it here. Okay? So let's see. This page is open. Is it everything clear? Let me close it. Go to project, right click it, click on open git UI here. Okay? Git UI here. So let's click on it. Once I click on that, it will open this window. Now it says that you wanted to clone the existing repository or you wanted to create a new repository. My dear friend, I have already there in repo. That is existing one, right? So we need to choose what? Clone existing. Very good. So what is your source? Source, whatever we copied from the Azure DevOps repo. We clicked on the clone button, right? I copied it. That is my source. Clear enough? Right? So let's paste it out. Right? Clear, right? Very good. What is your target? This is your target. You wanted to keep a file in the C drive project, right? So this is your target, right? Very good. Let me click on the project browse. I'll go back to my where to go? C drive. Projects. Now, if you wanted to make this, click on the select folder. Okay? But only project, right? I wanted to make some folder inside that. Just to remember it, okay? So I'll just write it as a Azure 6 p.m. July batch. Got the point? Okay? You can write your name anything here. It's not a problem that it should be this one. Okay? You can write your own name also. Clear? No? Anyone have doubts? Right? Two things we are doing it, buddy. Very first thing is you have to create the app services, right? After creating the app services, you have to go back there and you have to go to your free CSS, download the file, okay? Keep it somewhere in that download and all, right? Matter close over there. Now go to Azure DevOps. We have a repo. Create one repo or you make use of existing repo. Click on the clone button, right? Clone button is there. Now come back to your C drive. Go to project. Right click it. Find right. Good. So let me go back and click on the clone. Now if you clone, what will happen, you know? Tell me. What will happen? Where?
In the clone.
Azure DevOps repo is there, right? I click clone. That means all the files from that Azure repo I am cloning it. That is the source location. What is your target location? Good. So you have to go back to your here. Now come here. What is there in this file? Only readme. So this readme will go to project. Clear enough idea? That is the meaning of clone, no? Huh? Good, good, good. So let me go back and show you here. It's refreshes. Okay? Projects. Can you see there is a Azure 6 p.m. July batch new created? Go back here. Early it was not there, right? We got the project, no? Now our work is very easy now. How it is easy? Now this is my repo. This is my Azure repo. So what I'll do, I'll go back to download. I'll copy all the file from here. I'll copy all the file from here. Control A, Control C, and go back to C drive. Projects. I'll keep it. Yeah. Clear? Right? It is here. That doesn't mean it go to my Azure repo. We have to. Yes. Before pushing, what to do? Staging area, committing, staging, first staging, then committing, then pushing. Clear or not? See, my dear friend, this is a local, no? C drive is a local, right? So you are making some changes. You forgot it. Last time in the GitHub class, when we are making some changes to Notepad, what you are doing it? That is a local, right? So what you are doing it? You are committing it. Before pushing it, what you are doing? No, commit will also not come. You have to first make it to staging area, then commit it, then push it, right? See. So if you go back to here, now you can go back to here, buddy. Nothing, okay. Okay. So you can see it. Nothing is there in that. See, I'll refresh it also. Is there something came? Something came? No, right? Because I am not committed, I am not posted. So you go back to the Git UI, it's already open, right here. This page is open, no? Yes. So you have to rescan it. Rescan means refresh. Can you see this all fine here? Yes. So this is your local and this is your GitHub. Okay? So now what we have to do? Stage, right? Click on stage. If you click on stage, this file will come here. Continue. Came here? You have to click or not click on click on the continue only. Okay? Came here? Right? Now what is my next job? Very good. Commit. So before commit you have to give some commit message. Right? Then what to do? Commit. Now what is the next thing I have to do? Push. Yes. Select something and push. So it will go to push. Let's see. If it will push, that means all the file including the folder, everything will go to your Azure DevOps repo. But tell me, which branch it will go?
Main branch. App services.
Master branch. App service is your repo. In that will go. All from here and there going and doing in and right. We forgot it. GitHub also we are doing it, pushing it right. Where it is going in storing? Branch only. Okay. Master branch only. See, you are making the changes from the local to the Azure repo now. Yes. So it will not save directly to the main. It will save into your master. Right? Let's see. Can I close this? Can I close this? Work is over. So now see, main branch something is there? Nothing is there. But can you observe it? Master. So you can go back to your master branch. See now, every file has come. Right here. All good, right? Anyone have a doubt? Anyone have a doubt, buddy? Guys, online folks, anyone have a doubt? I repeated twice. You want me to repeat one more time? I'll repeat one more time. Okay? I'll repeat one more time. So I'll tell you. What we are doing first? What I am doing first? First of all, you have to create the app services. Then after that, what you have to do is, after creating the app services, you have to go back to your Azure DevOps page, right? After going to Azure DevOps page, you have to go ahead and you need to see your repo. If you have already repo, well and good. If not, create a new repo. If you want to create a new repo, clone it. Clone means whatever the file is there in Azure DevOps will go to your local. Now go back to your local C drive, create project folder, right? Now right click, open with Git bash. Again no. Git UI, buddy. Git UI, right? So it will open with the Git UI. Very good. If it open with a git divide here, what will happen? It will ask you whether you wanted to go with new repository, clone with new repository, or clone with existing repository. I'll go with the existing because it's I already am having it. Okay, so I'll go with the existing repository. Very good. So if you go back to the existing repository, you have to click option. There is option called source and target, right? Source and target would be there, nobody. So you just need to go ahead and you have to click on the source over there. Where? Source would be your Azure DevOps part, right? Source would be your Azure DevOps part. And target would be your local. And in that local, you go to C drive project, try to create / create some name for just no option. That function over, so it will try to get the clone it out. So cloning means what will happen? Your source is where? Azure DevOps repo. So whatever file now let's talk about now. If I click on the clone, what will happen? I'll show you, okay? Let me show you. Right now, if I clone this, what will happen? Tell me. I'll clone this, okay? I'll clone this, okay? This is out of box. This is not your things to do. Okay, I'm just telling you example. So if you click on the clone and you go back to your some desktop, I'll go. Okay, I'll go to desktop. Let's see. I wanted to create one folder itself here. Okay, I'll just create as a just for sake. Okay, right. This was I created. Now I right click it and click on the git UI. Existing, right? Yes. I'll go with the existing this one. Yes. I'll go for the desktop, right? Just for sec, right? Folder. I wanted to create this as a name as a hello something. Okay? Click on clone. Now what will happen? Tell me guys. Separately, what will happen? Whatever the files I had it already there in your Azure repo will get copied to just source it. See that? Right? Hello only no? Because I didn't copy it completely. I just gave it the hello only, I didn't complete it all. Okay, if you rescan it and do it, it will come. Okay, in GitHub it has come it. See? Right? So you will go with all the files will come here. Now understand that, that way it's like it's a reverse, right? So it's showing that not access having it. Let's close it. So now you understand where is your file? Project. No, file now project leave it. That is a local, no? Leave it now. Repo. Good. So you have app services available, you have file available. What is the next job? Remember the demo class. What we did it? First is repo. We got the repo. After that? Build pipeline. After that? Artifact. After that? Pipeline. So these three things we need to check now. Okay? So I'll go back to my dear friends? Build a pipeline. So below repo there is option called pipeline. Just click on the pipeline. Pipeline, this pipeline is called as a build pipeline only. Okay? So this is the way. So can you see this is you create your first pipeline. Why first pipeline? Because the first time I am doing it, right? For this project. Good. So let's click on the create pipeline. Right, buddy? Any doubts? No doubt, buddy. Everyone right? Right here. Now you have option called use the classic editor. Don't use this. We'll tell that later why not to use this. Now you have to do use classic editor. Use classic editor. Click on it. Now these many options. So where is your file? Where is your code? Azure repo. My code is Azure repo git. Okay? Where is my code? I uploaded to Azure repo, no here. Right? No. So where is my code? Azure repo. What is the project name? 6 p.m. 23. What is repository? App services. What is the branch? You have to change it. Okay? By default mail will come. You have to change it to. Clear here? Is it fine, right? I'll go back again. You have to click on the pipeline. After going to the pipeline, which project, which repository, which branch. You have to remember where you are file. Don't make a mistake with the main. If you do the mistake with the main, your build pipeline will fail. Okay? So got the point, master? Shall I continue it?
Yes.
Right, let's see. So you have to go with the empty job. What job? Empty job. Empty, okay? Empty job. Click on it. Now we understand. For app service and all, you have to choose some job to build pipeline. The job name is copy file, publish build artifact. While practicing, you will come to that. Okay? Copy file, publish build pipeline, publish build artifact. In the real time, if you are not getting it, please ask the developer. Anyway, when they will send the code to you, they'll give one deployment sheet to you. Okay? Build node or something, they'll give it to you. Okay? In that we mentioned that. So what is the first job you have to choose? Copy file. From where? You have a file copy into your Azure repo. Right now? So what you have to click here? Plus. Okay? What to do? Plus. So you get option as a copy file. Clear, guys? Choose the copy file here. We have many copy files. Choose only this. Okay? What is the next thing that you have to do, buddy? Next job is publish build artifact. Publish build artifact. Right? So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this two job is I wanted to copy the file from repo. Got the point? And after copying it, please publish to the artifact. Generate the artifact. What is my pipeline? We are compiling the code. So how we are compiling the code? If you have a code with you, then we are compiling, right? Where is your code? Repository. From the repository, you are copying the file from there, right? You are copying the file from there and you are uploading to the artifact. Is it clear? Clear? Very good. Okay? Very good. It's clear and very good, okay? Let me come down. Not clear? Very nice. I'll repeat again. You have to repeat again. See. No, right? Okay. So we have outside the copy file, right? Click on the copy file. Now you have to fill some data over there, okay? This is, please make sure you have to practice this at any cost today, tomorrow, okay? Day after tomorrow. If you are not copying it, you are not doing justice with your training. Okay? Why? Because this is the task you guys have to do it in your real time. 90% of task is this one. Pipeline. Different type of pipeline. Right? So you have to do it. Please understand. So now you have an option called scroll down. This is display name. So whatever it shows here, it will display here. Clear? Leave it. You want to change it. But make it the copy file only. Right here. Okay. Now source folder. Where is your source? Where is your source folder for copy? Repository is your source. Right? Very good. So let's click it here. And this is your repo source. No repo select because don't select this. You are not deploying only this about. You are deploying everything. So just choose main. Cancel it. Content, right? What is the content? So content means you don't have to choose it anything, it will be automatically there, okay? Double strike, you don't have to choose it anything, okay? Leave the content. Content is, whatever the file is there, that is the content, okay? Now target. Where you wanted to copy? Source, repo, target where? So we have option I symbol. Can you observe it? So click on the I symbol and copy that example. That's it. Okay. What I did, buddy? Source, content, no need to do anything. Target, I symbol is there, right? Go back there and try to copy the example. So you wanted to copy to this location where build artifact staging entry. Clear enough? Is it clear that everybody, everyone, what you do? Copy source folder, content, no need to do anything. Target, you have to go with the artifact stage file. Clear enough, right? Right now? Okay. Shall I go to the publish artifact now? Let me go here. Okay. Publish artifact. So here automatically what you copied there now will come here. Can you see? It already come. Okay. So no need to do anything at all. Nothing. No need to do. If you choose also, nothing. You don't have to do anything at all. Okay. Automatically. No need to choose anything. Can you see here? Here you don't have to do anything at all here. Got the point? Everything is already there. So just that's it. Clear? Now you have to go back to your Azure job. Pipeline. Okay? Sometime you will get an error here. Red color symbol. So pipeline is something called as a specification agent. So you just have to choose some agent. That's it. Okay? So that's it. Nothing is there. You just click on the save and queue. Saving means you are saving that whatever you made the changes. Queue means you are running it. Right? So you give the comment, your wish. Okay? Click on save and run. So your build pipeline will now run. Can you observe? Click on it. Okay? So it is coming up. Step will go. So it is running. Can you see here? Initializing the job, checking the app services, checking the copy file, checking the publish artifact, and final pass. So can you observe this is a tick mark? Okay? So tick mark is there. Let me go back to this here. Go back here. So whether this is tick mark is there, come down. Tick mark is there. This means it ran. Success. Got the point? So now it is consumed one. Okay, what it done? It consumed one. So if you click on it, okay, you got it right? Okay, so just click on this. If you wanted to see something more detail, and click on this, then you get it. Publish build artifact. One artifact is generated here. Okay, check out it. So this our part is coming out. Okay, let me go back here. Now observe it. Let's refresh it first. Okay, so basically it has come it out. It passed, right? Now what is the next thing you have to do after build pipeline? Artifact. Artifact you don't have to do anything, automatically generated. You have to go to the release pipeline. So pipeline itself there is option called release. So this is called as a release pipeline. Click on it. No release pipeline yet. Click on the new pipeline. Now the release pipeline you have two sections. What all is there? So this all you can keep it as a close it now. Okay? Close it down. What two sections are there? Artifact and stages. So artifact is what? Output of your build pipeline. And this output will play as an input of release pipeline. So where is your artifact? You either click on here or click it here. Okay? Just click it here. Now tell me, buddy, your artifact will go ahead and store to your build. Got the point? Your artifact will go ahead and store to your build. So go back to your source pipeline, click it here. This is your artifact. Okay? Click it here. Now scroll down, add it. So artifact has been added. Clear? Clear here? Next job is stage. So what you wanted to do? You wanted to deploy the app services, right? App service you want to deploy? So just type as a app service deploy. Right here? Okay, enter.
Azure
So,
also implemented.
1 minute, buddy, 1 minute.
Start an empty job.
Yes, let me go with empty job first, okay? Right, let's delete it. I'll click here, one job is there, right? Click here, huh? Click there. Now choose this one. Here you type as a app service deploy. This is what I am looking at. Right here? Azure app service deploy. What the point, buddy? Azure app service deploy. Let's click on it. Okay? Go back to here. Now this is the part that you have to understand. Tell me, buddy, my code is ready, my build pipeline is ready, my artifact is ready, but where to deploy? Where to deploy?
Portal.
Portal. You are right. You have to deploy the app services which is there in the portal. So Azure is not a god. They will not know which application we have to deploy. There are multiple applications, right? So you have to give the information of service connection now. With that service connection, it will go and hit that portal, and the list of application will come. You have to choose from there. Clear here? Okay? So let's see. This is important for you to understand. Come down here. Okay? Right? So you need to have a Azure subscription, right? So just refresh. Here the meaning of Azure subscription is a service connection. Okay? So let's refresh. You choose it. Can you see that? Yesterday you created?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Right? Right? Very good. So if we give that Azure connection, now it will roll to that page. Huh? Come down. Come down. So we have contact. So what is the app service name?
Mitra.
It came right? Choose it. Come down. Okay? After that, nothing, you don't have to do anything at all. That's only two things, right? Service connection choosing, application and choosing. That's it. Clear? Okay, dear, anyone? Anyone have doubts? Online guys, any doubts? Do anyone have doubts? Okay, I'm not doing anything. I'm down in the copy folder. I'll come back soon. Okay, so I'll come to you. Let me first start with this. Okay, I'll repeat one more time. Don't worry. So shall I save and queue it? Okay, save it right here. Release. Anyone have found out? Let me know. No? Okay, so release, save. There is a save and queue. Here is a save. Create. Release. Click on the create release. Click on the create. Now your one release has been created. Click on this, so you get the update here. Let's see. So it will first queue it, then it will start getting it your steps. If it is fast, it will say fail. Right? So let's observe why it is getting failed. So let's see the reason. No package found with a specified pattern here, Mitra. Check if the package mentioned in the task, okay? Come back, buddy. Let's observe. You have to read this message. No package found with a specified pattern here. Check if the package mentioned in the task is published as artifact, if the build or the previous release is there or not, okay? So there is an error. You need to go back to edit the release, okay? And go back to your task and observe it. What is the issue happen? Come down. The issue with the package. Click it out. So you need to choose this, right? Actually, it has to come the drop location here. Okay. So let's choose this. Okay. Click on OK. Right here. Click on OK, and you just have to go back to the save. Save it. Right? And again, Now you can go back to your error process. If you do mistake, we'll get error message. Then we will log it. Right? Try to do mistakes. It has to come as a drop location. So sometimes Azure might be down, sometimes like it would be like fail. Yes, good, no. So let's see what is the reason for that. Getting out the solutions. What it says, the same thing it is given. No package found. Okay. So it has not given. Actually, it has to give you the drop location. Okay. So there is some issue might be. Let's see and let's go there and try to observe your operating system. So go back to your like pipeline. Okay. So let's see whether the published artifact is there or not. Yes. Here is the culprit. Yes. Can see. Only one consume, but it has to come as a one consume, one artifact produced. It is a mistake here. Okay. It is a wrong here. So actually, let's do one thing, and here also D drive is empty. Nothing will be added to drop location. I told you drop something, right? Okay, let's do one thing here. Let's try to create a new pipeline. So let me go back here. Pipeline. Shall I create a new? Click on the new. Classic editor. Okay. Now this is right now. Master. Continue. Empty job. Choose the job as a. Someone has a question, right? Sunil, this is here also. You can get it out. Copy file. Okay. Copy file. Right, Sunil? Yeah. Good. Next is publish build artifact. Publish build artifact, right? Publish build artifact. Okay, I'll go back to the first job. Right? Now choose it carefully. Where is your source folder? This is from here. This is my source folder here. Okay. Our source folder. I am not going to any individual. Don't choose any individual. Go back to only source folder. Okay. Close it. Come back here. Content. Nothing. It no need to choose it. Everything will be their respective. Target location. What is your target location? The build is your target location. Copy it and paste it. Right here. Okay. These two files are there. Now next is drop location. So where is the drop location? Where to path to publish. So let's click it here. You have to get it drop here. Okay. This is the file here. Okay. This is our location. So now this will be your location basically. Close it out and go back. What is that location name? Drop location. So let's something is going wrong here, buddy. Okay. That's why it is not coming up. We are not getting the proper path here. So these all things will not be the option for this. Actually, it has to be coming as a path location. Drop here to select. It is not getting it out. Fine, leave it. So only three parts, right? Drop, publish to artifact, and drop location. Only three, right? So let's go back and try to save and queue it. You can choose the latest also. Window latest, okay? Window latest, right. You see. Until unless one artifact produce is not coming, it's not a right to go. If you are not getting it publish, consume, there is some issue with Azure. So you have to wait for 1 day time, or you need to take, if you are urgent, create a ticket, submit to Azure. Microsoft. You see. So after getting past now, here it has to come as a one consume, one artifact published. Then only it is done. I'll show you the older file also. Yes.
One publish, one consume.
So this time it will work.
Yes.
Clear here? Every one of you? Right? So the meaning is I am giving one file and you are giving one artifact to me. Consume is what consume? File. Publish means what? Artifact publish. Okay? So let's see the steps. I got surprise. Can you see here? Yes. Again, it is not coming now. Nothing issue. Clear? It happens sometime. So just go back. Now go back to your release pipeline and enjoy it. Okay? Let's see. It's a quick revision for you. Shall I create a new?
Yes.
I'll go with a new. Right? New. Choose this. So artifact, what to do? Where is artifact now? Build. Always build. Build pipeline we created that artifact build pipeline only, right? Choose it there only. So it will be number as a 2. I mean 1. Okay? Next time we will need 2 will come. 3. Is the next versions, right?
New pipeline.
Yes. Clear here? Okay. Add. The next is add the stages. Choose the empty job. What job you have to choose? Tell me, brother. As app service deploy, not deployment, deploy. Okay? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
Shall I add it?
Yes.
Click here. Now this time it will not be getting issue. Okay? Let's refresh. Choose your
Service.
yes service connection. Okay? Come down. What is app service?
Meta.
Come down here. Come down
Save
here.
and continue.
Package and folder. Yes. Until we not getting top location right. Because publish is not there. Okay? So just click on the drop. Don't go back and choose other file. Only you have to choose drop. I was confused over there only then when it is not coming up. So what you have to do? Again I am telling you. This is by default, right? Choose it, maximize it, click drop.
Only drop here, sir.
Drop, yes. If you go and select others, your file will not run properly. Okay? Drop. Click on OK. Right? Come down. That's it. Now 100% this will work. Okay?
Save.
Click on the save.
Add.
Give the command. Make it out. Create release.
Create.
That's it. So I'll go back here. Huh? Click on the release and see. This time it should pass.
It takes 1 minute of time.
For deployment it will take now. Because what it is doing, you know, what it is doing now, it is going to your app service, Mintra, the code deploying. Okay? So succeeded, right?
Yes.
You got passed. Okay. So if you got passed, now go back to your Mintra and observe it. Okay? Right now, refresh it. Right? The application is deployed. Okay, good. This is just build pipeline release file. This is not CI/CD. CI/CD we have small changes that I'll tell you. Not today. Monday class will tell you. But before that, I want you to do it this. Okay? Oh. So CI/CD we have small changes that we will do it. Okay? So what is the CI/CD is? I think you cannot run the pipeline without the parallel. Yes, you are right, Israel. I told you yesterday only, no? So if you have raised yesterday, the guys who have raised yesterday, today they have got the approval. If you have raised today, you will get tomorrow or Monday. You get it. Okay? So please do it out, buddy, right? And follow the steps, you can read that. So once you get passed, I'll tell you one thing good thing. Okay? what I tell you good thing is, what is CI/CD? So tomorrow if there set of code changes happening, I don't have to run it again manually. Automatically it has to run. That is called as CI/CD. Continuous integration, continuous deployment. So when there is change in the code, automatically my build pipeline will run. Automatically my release pipeline will run. That is called as a CI/CD. For a small changes is there in the system. Do you want me to do it now itself? We'll close that. Huh? We'll close that topic only. Okay, let's see. Now guys understand please what is CI/CD. CI stands for continuous integration and you want to do it Monday?
Monday sir.
Fine, let's see, we will do it on Monday. But I'll give a hint to you, okay? I will just basic understand. So whenever you are changing the file here, right buddy?
Yes sir.
Your file here, no?
Yes.
So any changes you are making in the file, any changes you are making here, no? Okay? Automatically your build pipeline will run. Automatically your release pipeline will run. Okay? But I am not doing it now. You guys will get confused. So let's first complete this one part. Then Monday I'll tell you this. Clear? Online guys, do anyone have a doubt? Let me know now. If I tell you now, know what happened, you will get confused. Okay, so let's complete one part first. Okay? Monday I'll go with the CI/CD pipeline. It's just a 10 minutes job. Okay? Just a 10-minute job. So once we complete the CI/CD, it is a year only actually. I'm teaching CI/CD here. Let me write it here. Okay? So once you complete the CI/CD Monday, we'll go with the azure SQL. Okay? Right, do anyone have a doubt buddy? Let me know. Can you share the steps for the day? Steps we have, I guess. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. I would have it somewhere. Okay, hold on.
So we have to
Prashant, don't wait, buddy. You get the steps. You come to know that. I'll give the steps to you. Don't worry. एक सर्विस कनेक्शन वही कोरियर पे नेक्स्ट टाइम 100 टाइम जितना भी यूज कर लो सेम आता है ओके वन वे ब्रदर यू मेक द नोट्स फर्स्ट ओके guys understand? Let me repeat it again. Okay. See here. First of all, you have to create a service connection. Create that services. Go to ADU account. Okay. In ADU means Azure DevOps account. Okay. Now Azure repo file. Add file. How to add file? Please follow get UI steps. So you just have to recollect all the steps. Okay. After that, build pipeline. Azure GitHub classic editor, copy file and build for this artifact. Just do it or will come. Okay. Observe the artifact generated or not. Then go to release, add the artifact, add the job, app service deploy, create release, will come. Okay. So this you just ignore it. Okay. Now verify the app is deployed or not. Okay. Just try to do it out. If you're stuck out, let me know. Now, if you're stuck out, tomorrow there is a 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is a doubt clearing class. Okay. Everyone write Sunil and others. Sorry. Do we get a mail? Share the link. For what link you want? How I can check the parallelism is approved or not?
In Google Class
Okay. Sunil, you'll get a mail. You'll get a mail from them. Okay. Until Niranjan, steps will not be provided for every single step here. Okay. You just have to recollect it all. If you want that, you take the video also. Okay. So all the steps will be very difficult to give me. It's a simple step. Nothing is there in that. Okay.
Sir, you not uploaded the steps in Google Class. Not uploaded in Google Class.
Which class?
The Git steps you told us.
Git UI repo. Right. Then what is the next step I am doing it? After cloning it, copy the clone part. Okay, then go back to local. Then there you have to go to project, right? C drive. Okay, C drive. Then what you have to do? Body projects. Right. Then open with. It's clear now. Open with Git UI. Clear here?
Yes.
Very good. D step after that, what you are doing it, buddy? Okay.
Maybe you got it.
You already have got a mail, buddy. If not, I'll drop it one more time. Okay. Next is what there, buddy? Open with the Git UI. What is the next thing you are going it? Clone with existing repo. Very good. Next is paste the clone URL into the source. Right? Good. F is choose the C drive project, then create a new folder. Okay? Right here.
So there is why
1 minute. Buddy.
why removed URL to TYH down ETH step.
You can observe it, nobody. This is step type. This is the first time steps here. There is a question mark here, right? Okay, fine. So now clone it, okay? After cloning, what you have to do, buddy? Stage it. Rescan it. You guys are not able to do that also. Rescan it, then stage it, then GHIJ, then commit it. GHIJK, right? Then push it. That's it, okay? Now you can do it, no? Right, so steps you do it out. Right, Niranjan, is it okay? You can able to get it now. Give the edit. Niranjan, especially for you. Okay. Come down. So you have to do it, okay? Right now, Sunil was saying that online support link actually, okay? So let me give you guys have. You don't have guys?
Mail we have.
No, bro. I'll give it to you. Okay, no. Not what I'll give it to you. Yes. Can you see this? Azure DevOps online lab session with 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock Monday to Friday. Okay? Saturday.
Sir, if you go to that link, someone is there. They also people are not
AWS people are
AWS people are there.
This is Azure DevOps. Why AWS will be there?
Can you ask what more they can do?
AWS people are there, sir. Or Azure DevOps people are not there.
Is it?
Yes, sir. 2 o'clock I have logged in, sir.
2 o'clock no man, 4 o'clock.
4 to 6 now.
2 o'clock is AWS maybe. Log in by 6 o'clock. We have Azure DevOps schedule there. Are simple buddy. Understand. You all join it, okay? You all join it. You have a doubt, Abdul can help you. Abdul have a doubt, he can help you, right? Is a teamwork, no? Obviously I will not be there.
Offline is best.
Mentor will be there. Mentor will be there, okay? This is for the guys who are online guys only. This is just for help for online guys. Offline guys you can come to our lab, right?
Lab is very.
Crowded.
Sir, what about?
What are the template folder? What template, buddy? Niranjan, I didn't get you, Niranjan. Can you just tell me?
Explain the problem.
Niranjan, I didn't get you here.
Sir, mention that 4 to 6. No, I'm telling you, sir.
I is there, buddy. It is there in there.
He's not living there.
Okay.
Maybe. The downloaded folder. Downloaded folder you have to download it, buddy. Free CSS. This thing you have to do it.